There's just times you just literally cannot see something, or it's moved, or it's not in the right position, and you say, well, we don't have any of that, order more. That happened a lot, and it would cause us to order something overnight, which, doubles the cost of what that supply is. So AlinIQ IMS helps us keep on track with that scanner to make sure what we're seeing is actually what we have. I'm Jason Potts. I'm Operations Assistant for the lab. I've been using AlinIQ IMS for about 2 years. With IMS, the most useful is the software. It basically almost counts it for you. You can configure it to whatever I need it for. We use par levels. The par levels are great because once you use that scanner, you get your amount. It tells you this is all you have to order, and that's it. It's so much easier than having to calculate it manually.
In the first year using IMS, we saw an inventory savings of over $700,000. A lot of our labs had too much product, some had too little. We were having overnight orders and expirations and things like that. So using IMS, we were able to right size our inventory for the labs. We can see lot numbers, all of that.
Before AlinIQ IMS, it was a very time-consuming 2 days of counting inventory, walking around counting each individual supply with a piece of paper and a clipboard. I had to ask a lot of questions. Where's this stored? Where's that stored? And it was a long process.
Before IMS, taking inventory and placing supply orders took about 2 hours a week per person. And after IMS, it takes them about 15 minutes per person. We were able to save about $98,000 in labor just doing inventory and supply orders.
Being able to use the scanner to just bam, bam, boom, count everything in a small area or a large area compared to having to manually bend over and check every little thing, count everything, tick mark. It is so much quicker, so much easier on me, and it's more efficient. I do timekeeping, payroll, things like that, any kind of reports that are done. So it really frees up my time to really get into the reports without having to worry about inventory as much. Training on AlinIQ IMS was super simple. The Abbott team came in with some really great trainers and provided a really great manual that I still use to this day. And when we went live, it was basically a few phone calls and using that manual, and it was really simple, not hard at all. I was tired of having to carry around a clipboard and a pen, counting everything, or having other people help me count. So I was excited for new software. We've saved a lot of time. It's a really easy system. I really enjoy using it.